there. Okay, so I wanted to go over a little bit about the Access tutorial because I know you're probably feeling overwhelmed right now, but I don't want you to do that. And if you read my suggestion that I sent out this morning is to try to do one tutorial a week. There's 5 tutorials. How to get to those tutorials and how to do those, I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you go to Course Documents in Blackboard, you will see the textbook resource website. This offers information that complements your textbook, such as web quizzes, glossary, data files, and more. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to bring me right here to the textbook resource center. Over here are some web links, data files. These go with your textbook. So if I click on that, here it is in a zip folder. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to open it up, and there they are. There's all the files that go with each chapter. If they don't have any, it says that. Okay, so then you have the Microsoft Access tutorials, and you want the 2013, so you'll click on that, and you're going to open it. And the thing about this is, when you open this folder, you have the data files that go with the tutorial. Here is the tutorials, and there's 5 of those. And then here are the solutions, so you can check to see if you did it correctly. Okay, so if you double click on one of these, and it opens up in Access, then you know you have access. Okay, and you always have to enable the content. Here's your tables over here. And I'm going to save it. Okay, so here's your tables over here, your queries, forms, and reports, and all those good things. So all you have to do is follow the tutorial so that you know how to create a table. This is the employee table. Here's the team table, queries. So it looks like it's asked for specific people. Here. Here's reports. All these things that you'll learn how to do. This is a report here. So I'm just going to close out Access. Again, this is the solution files. Here are the actual lessons that you'll do. And here are the data files that go with each lesson. You can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you was I'm going to go to Montage. So they're also located here, the Access tutorials. And here's 2013. Click on those. And you've got lesson 1 through 5, just like you did in the other one. If you go through my tab and do it, and I'm clicking on lesson 1, I can go through like an ebook. Or I can use the Word tutorials from the Resource Center. So I just kind of want to show you that's how that works. And you can go through, this is the beginning of lesson 2, and if you want to create a table in design view, you can click this, or you can start at the beginning and click your arrow and move to the right. So if I just go to create a table in design view, it's going to show me that I have to click the design view button here. I have to name it and save it, and then I set the primary key, which is a unique key. So like a phone number would be unique, a social security number would be unique, that kind of thing. And here's the fields. So you have last name, address, city, state, zip, and telephone. And then over here is like how many characters can it be. So if it's short text, you'll see down here how many characters that will allow. So just follow those directions. And then once you do that, then you can go in and you go to data sheet view. I'm trying to get to that point. So we've done the design view. Okay, so here, just showing how to print. This is where you're going to enter records and print. So these are your field names across the top right here. That's in your design view. You can put those names in there. Then you go to the data sheet view and you put in your records and you put this information in. It's kind of like Excel. So just follow through. These are very simple, short tutorials. I just want to make sure that you're familiar with it so that when we do have the Access assignments that you are familiar with it. And again, my suggestion is to try to do 1 tutorial a week. If you feel like you accomplished that pretty well, then maybe you go ahead and do another one and get those out of the way. Okay, so that is using the AccessTutorials in Montage. Or you can go to the Student Resource Center here that goes with the textbook. Remember, these data files go with the textbook. The AccessTutorials includes the data files for the tutorials. So I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know.